Under a giant oak tree lived a tiny mouse named Milo. Every night he gazed at the glowing moon, dreaming of visiting it.
I wish I could fly up there one day.
The next morning, Milo got busy. He built a rocket from cheese boxes, balloons, and buttons, wearing a shiny salad bowl helmet.
Other mice giggled nearby.
You're too small to go to the moon, Milo.
Even little ones can have big adventures.
That night, Milo climbed into his rocket. He pressed a big red button and shouted,
3, 2, 1, blast off.
Up he zoomed, past twinkling stars and comets, soaring through magical space. Milo reached out and caught a tiny, sparkling star. It tickled his paw, making him giggle. Finally, he landed softly on the moon, where silver-eared moon bunnies were dancing under the stars. One big bunny hopped over.
Welcome, little explorer. Come dance with us.
Milo danced and floated joyfully, feeling lighter than ever. Later, the moon bunny offered him a glowing moon pebble as a gift.
Take this, so you'll always remember your adventure.
Milo smiled, tucked the pebble into his pouch, and returned home. That night, lying in his cozy bed, Milo looked up at the moon and whispered,
Maybe tomorrow I'll visit the stars.